I really could have sold it, posted on Facebook.
Get the hell out!
That bill spinning, son.
You going to jail? You going to jail? This is private property, bitch. Hit the road, dude. Hit the road, dude.
All right, y'all. One thing I didn't tell y'all. Don't mind the noise. I'm at the car wash. One thing I didn't tell y'all. Man, Mykels thinks stuff sweet, bro. You can't just be going switching sides from Chevy to Mopar. Just cause I blinded you, bro. Just cause I burnt that CTSV, you think you finna go get a cat now? So look, this is what we doing. We pranking Mykels today. I'm taking that cat, taking it home. That's my cat now. But look, he don't know that though, you feel me? That's why I'm in the car. Yeah, he's somewhere over there waiting on me to be done. He don't know that, but I'm taking the cat. He probably gonna be mad at hell, but I don't care. That's gonna be my cat now. I'm finna have 2 cats. I'm about to have 2 cats, 2 of these. Look, remember this, y'all. Right up. You feel me? Look, I need air, y'all. I need air in my tire. We finna go put air in my tire though. All right, y'all, we at the gas station right now. Mykels, hey, them bitches finally met. We were just talking about that though. Cat. Should I take my hood off?
All right.
Huh?
All right.
Ooh, you gonna help me?
Of course.
Oh yeah, it's up. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You came a long way. Back. Bro, they had 1 million cars. We just going back to back, bro. Eventually, we gonna be in McLaren, Lambo. Like, you gotta think about that shit,
I'm gonna
right?
be in. Let me get in Revolto.
Revolto?
Yeah, I'm gonna be in that bit.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you get that bit? I'm getting the same thing. SVJ.
SVJ,
SVJ.
I had FF90s, they be having too many problems, son.
Yeah, that's what I
They been
heard
shot too much, I ain't getting one of
facts.
those. But I love the experience, but I rent one like for a week. Like,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
But look, we in exotics, we go crazy. Matt Armstrong, hey, help us build them. We trying to build one. See, that's the thing, bro. We really be on some like built. Like this is really built and bought. You feel me? Like I'd rather build my car from like coming from like, see what y'all seeing right now. This bitch gonna literally look like this in no time. Like
I ain't gonna lie, the way how I'm trying to do this shit, it's gonna be about a month, bro.
yeah.
Like with the wide body kit, the rims, everything, new color, everything.
Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, I like the slim bodies, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I always like? I like the Chargers that be doing like the Demon and shit, like the Demon stuff. And then they be having a wide body in the back, and then they have the slim body in the front.
Yeah, that should be looking cool.
Yeah, that's, hey.
Oh, no.
Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. You could do it though. You'll be different. But look, I think you should go straight full wide body. BBL? No BBL. BBL? No BBL.
Crazy.
You gotta do that BBL, son.
We gonna be the sickest in the city.
Right.
We both got Hellcat, kitty cats, you know what I'm saying?
Look, y'all, I done killed the possum. I'm missing the middle part of my lip. Y'all can't really see it, but
Cats don't like possums.
yeah, facts.
I'm with it.
Yeah,
What out?
Not playing. Look, we got Khalil in the building. Khalil, what you on, bro?
Hey, you know what I'm doing?
Yeah, what you
I'm
doing?
about to go sell drugs.
Yeah, just step away.
No, listen. Sell so much dog food, they're gonna have to call the pound. Get what I'm saying?
How you feel about that, bro? Like yeah,
You know what I mean.
I'm gonna just keep going. What's up, Kylie? Oh, little Torto.
Oh my God!
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yeah, that's racist.
Buenos
What's
dias.
that, bro?
This is bad looking. Be a case of deal right now.
Hey, it been nasty, bro.
I thought this was G outside at first.
Damn.
But, like shit. Yeah,
Hey, that bit dumb.
He said this motherfucker better than Ram.
You be better than your shit.
No, stop, bitch.
I was not gonna want to put it back on, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
I know me. I don't want to.
That shit look good, bro.
You need it. Can you ride with me?
Yeah,
like,
of
after
course.
this,
What is,
bro?
you can tell?
It sound
There's a
insane, bro. Bro, that shit sounds crazy.
This shit sounds crazy.
Bro, that
That is, oh my fucking God, dude.
We just judged the
This
bitch.
is my dog out the pizza, man. Give my dog some love, man. Bro, why you take your hood off?
Hey, why you take your hood off, bro? Come on, bro.
Come on, man. Well, look, we both fucking
Hey, we just gonna strike that dude. Look, look how he's vlogging. The whole time we really planning on him. Look, we gonna let him take his pictures. As he takes pictures, I'm taking off in that bitch. Real talk. We gotta entertain him while I do that though. It's good. Frank gonna pull up in the.
Got so much fucking pussy out here, dude. You all that fucking pussy too?
Film right now. I wanna make him think it's sweet. You feel me? Like,
So he listening.
no, he's not listening. He was talking to Frank. You hear me? Look, but it's good though.
Chicken did it, what the fuck?
I'm about to strike this shit. Go stop striking. I'm about to strike that bitch.
No way, bro!
Oh yeah.
That motherfucker's moving, man.
Oh yeah, Chad, look at him. He over there, y'all. Yeah. This feel good, Chad. Good Hellcat. Good Hellcat. Good Hellcat, Chad. Stop playing. Oh my God. That's how easy it is to take somebody's car. Y'all probably like, man, why you left your car? Shit, James got me.
You had something to do with that nigga? I'm finna call the damn police, man. I'm gonna call the laws.
Oh look, and then I got the keys. So it don't matter. I got my keys, so he can't even take my car. Just come back tomorrow to pick that bit up. And I got his phone, Chad. Oh my God. Damn, Chad. Big Hellcat. Good strike. You heard me? Bring me 5 bands you can have this bit. Look at that bit. Oh, got the bead lock. Got everything for it. Look at that bit. Oh, you want this? Come get it. I know he mad as a bitch. He gonna go bring his car back, y'all, before he gets, oh, no, you got Hellcat. You know, he be getting mad and sad. So come on, y'all. Let's bring that bit back. I was wondering why the bit was, I ain't even got the red key, Chad. Look out, bro, what the fuck? Hey, bro, look, I only brought it, look, I only brought it back because they got the black key. I ain't even got the red key. You can have that piece of shit. Bro, this just sucks. I ain't even had the red key for that joint. Where the keys at?
I don't feel my shit no more, man. I'm not no nigga out here to tell you, man.
I don't give a that's my car now. But I only brought it back because I ain't got the red key, so fuck it.
Man, my shit got my fucking car, man.
Damn, bro.
Hey, up that switch, bro. I told her to go up that switch. Cause I don't got no phone,
man. Back up before I call the police.
Hellcat, man. Bro, before I call 12 on you, bitch.
12? Oh, you playing the police now? See, man.
You going to jail, bitch. You going to jail. 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 Lock him up. Lock him up. This is private property, bitch. Hit the road, dude. Hit the road, dude.
Hey, look. Real talk, the only reason I bought it back is because I ain't had the red key. I only had like 5. It's a scat pack. No offense. This is a scat pack. Like, bro, like, that's the only reason I bought it back, Chad. But look, that's how you strike a car. Hey, I'm sorry, bro. Real talk, it was just a prank, bro. My bad,
I don't give a fuck about no prank. Lock him up.
Bro,
Hit the road.
Get him out of here. Get the hell out of here.
I really could have sold it, posted
Bro,
on
get the
Facebook
hell
Market.
out.
I could have posted on Facebook Market, you heard me?
Get the hell out of here, boy. Go to jail for theft. That's all you want to do is steal.
All right, y'all, that was a sexual prank. I ain't gonna lie, he's still over there looking for his keys.
I don't know where they at. I just know the car was on. But look, hey bro, I ain't got your keys, bro.
My key, I can tell you.
Oh, Slime, I ain't got your keys, bro. He got your keys. Look, he laughing. Look, he laughing, bro. But look, appreciate y'all for checking in. Hey, we finna continue the vlog. They ain't done yet. We finna do something else. But look, y'all stay tuned. What I just seen, guys, chat, I ain't gonna lie. I low-key like these. Would I get one? I don't think I would. But this bit clean, and I just seen it from over there. Look at the lineup. But look, that bit look clean, y'all. But look, they finna go to Mexico and race, so I'm not sure. But look, we finna get active, I guess. Oh, we got that shit outside. Dude, stop playing, man. Y'all see the lineup. Oh, he's ski. Oh, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Who y'all got? 01 or Hellcat? I got the goddamn Hellcat, goddammit. Them 10 speeds, them arrows, they different, bro. They lighter, everything, so I don't know. Look, this on some Hellcat versus 01 type thing, you heard me? So if you ever want to guess, you know what I'm saying, which one faster, you might be able to find out in this video. You're gonna see what's backing. Somebody jump. Uh-oh. No, the Hellcat won. Stop playing with that ball, man. Oh, you're a loser. You're a loser.
Hey, catch me on I-10, by 10. Fuck a pink cat, fuck a silver cat, fuck a orange Z, fuck a black stain, fuck a green SS, fuck everything, bitch, I'm outside.
Hey, you just got blinded though. You just got blinded, brother. I just seen it. Oh.
That ain't hung right.
What you think I'ma do you? What you
That
think
ain't hung right,
What you
bro.
think I'ma do you?
It was the wrong count.
Rich gon' blind you.
Rich is not blind to me.
Hey, Rich gon' blind you, bro.
Bro.
I got money on it.
Nigga must not know. Nigga must not know I have 2 manifolds. You know what I'm saying? I
That's it.
I don't think a
That
nigga
shit cute, bro.
understand,
Nigga engine in the back.
Yo.
That's all I'm gonna
Oh, man, everybody got gas? What we waiting on? Oh, me, I gotta go inside. Hey, y'all, we made it to Mexico. Oh. Do.
I don't know, my shit not like, I don't know, I thought I gotta get that healthy fixed in, cause my shit like, I feel like it should be faster than this.
I need some pregame talk.
Fuck a cat.
Hey, wait, what the?
Nah, fuck all that. Nigga had a Chevy. He felt like a cat was the way to go. I'm finna show him why you don't switch up, you heard me? Real Vin Diesel.
Oh. So they're going from a dig to 01 versus the Hellcat. From a dig.
My money on Mykels.
Ooh. Ooh, that bitch, bro, that bitch finna whoop him. Oh, God. Jay, who you got, son?
Shit, gotta be Mykels.
Mykels? Ooh, who you got?
I got Mykels. This nigga on the pack. He's on the pack, bro.
Who y'all got? Charger or 01?
Pack for the win,
Cat
man.
for the win? I like Cat? Ooh. Rich, who you got?
I don't even know.
Who you got, man? You gotta say somebody.
It was 01.
Oh, you know, I fuck with it though. Ooh. They doing the burn up. Ooh. Out of there. Ooh. What's it on this?
What the fuck?
Oh no.
Oh no! The whole time.
Huh?
The bill was spinning the whole time.
Damn.
I pressed the bitch out there. I hit the bill, I didn't want to do it.
So you spinning the whole time?
Yes.
Damn. Yeah, tire pressure might be high.
Yeah, your tire pressure.
Yeah, I think it probably is high. But that bitch is
He
spinning.
don't talk so much shit.
Exactly.
Come on, my girl.
Yeah, he technically did chase him.
No, I did. I stopped.
I know, but still, once you go out the line,
Go
it
back
takes the
down.
race.
Hey,
But
say something happen when you go. Go back down.
you know I'm fucking stupid.
Say something happen. Act like the motor.
I ain't like, that bitch was smoking. I thought that bitch blue. Hey, that don't count, bro.
The motor blue, dumbass.
Yeah, that don't count.
Wah, wah.
Motor blue.
It's motor blue. Hey, that's the second one.
Wah, wah.
That bitch said wah wah. Come on, son. That man motor blue, bro.
Hey.
That shit unfair. That ain't count.
Hey, that's when we raise a real nigga, you hear me? Second one. 2 and 1 out, you hear me?
That bitch spin like you don't got no dry pack on that twin. That shit pissed me off.
No,
I'm just saying good shit. I'm just saying good shit.
I didn't chase you. If my shit would've hooked, it would've been over with those, son. That fake ass pack.
I thought that was you.
I thought that was your.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I thought it was you.
I'm like, get out of there.
Oh yeah, I can't wait till you see the video. Everybody saying Mykels.
We got load of
Rich the only one.
We got load of
Rich the only one say clue.
Man, where Rich at, bro? That's why I fuck with Rich, bro. Who next? You hear me? That's all I'm saying. Who next? You hear me?
I do you from a road, bro.
I'm doing
You can do it both ways.
I'm not even. You not. Shut up. This is supercharged shit. I don't know what the fuck she talking about.
I should take off slightly though. You said, bro?
Something wrong with everybody's shit when it come to me, dog.
Nigga saw my shit spinning. Y'all didn't, but I saw it.
His shit was spinning. His shit.
You saw my shit was like this.
My shit was too.
I said, oh yeah, it's over.
That man
My
was
shit ain't
always
supposed to do
living. I
it.
like, oh, he got it. I like, oh shit, no, he don't.
Ain't lying.
Hey, finna throw that boy with a real cat on.
I think that bitch do got too much tire pressure though.
You think it do?
Yeah, I don't know though, but you think it'll be good?
It should be straight. Come on.
That bitch was spinning.
That bitch was spinning, son.
That's that tire
I
pressure.
tried, bro. It's that tire pressure gotta be. But that bitch was spinning, bro. That bitch.
I talk so much shit.
I know, bro. You finna talk blue cool shit. Son,
And they gonna talk about son?
look. You got it.
But you know
that
what?
bitch spinning.
My shit's fine too.
No, huh? Hey, what you think gonna happen?
I ain't gonna lie,
I ain't never seen Cole race from a dig, though.
but that ain't no 10 speed. That's an 8 speed.
That's an 8-speed, yeah.
Cole got a 10 speed. If Cole,
It's all about the driver at that point. We already know who you got.
I know the car.
I know that, right?
you be my partner, you raise me. That's how that shit go.
First of all, when they all said fuck you, I was betting on you. So fuck you.
Damn.
I was on your side the whole time.
I fuck with you, bro.
Wait.
Yes, I was.
It's on video.
Oh, Cole, man.
Ooh, somebody spinning.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna say,
Cole whooped his ass. Cole whooped his ass.
Oh my God.
10 for the win.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, that's a blowout right there. You ain't blow out me.
Yeah, for real, that was a blowout. I ain't gonna lie, it was like 5 cars. I know we do need it though. We need to shake back.
Yeah, y'all need something.
What the fuck doing? They about to go back. Damn.
He finna be 2-0. Nigga wanna go again.
Yeah, get your car right here. Oh shit.
Boy, don't do that, son. Boy, I put the camera down so fast. Uh-oh.
He did it again. Start your car. Fuck it, let's do it.
No shit.
guys, get back. Y'all got 5 speed. Fuck y'all.
Who is y'all?
Bitch, your crew.
Man, that shit so slow. You got the slow car.
Real talk.
Hey, you would have thrown something for real, look. Ooh, look at this.